Imagine living in a world where you can't see what's around you. No faces, no signs, no colors, no text. For millions of people who are blind or visually impaired, that's their everyday reality. But here's the amazing part. AI is now helping people see using their smartphones, with apps that can describe the world out loud. In this video, I'm going to show you some incredible tools, like Seeing AI, Be My Eyes, and others, that are changing lives in the most practical ways. And don't worry, I'll explain everything in super simple terms. Let's dive in. First up, Seeing AI. This is an app made by Microsoft, and it's like having a talking camera in your pocket. Here's how it works. You open the app, point your phone's camera at something, and the app describes what it sees out loud. Point it at a sign, and it reads the words. Point it at someone's face, and it tells you their age, emotion, and even who it is if they're in your contacts. Point it at a dollar bill, and it tells you which one it is. It's incredibly useful for reading menus, checking food labels, recognizing people, or just understanding your surroundings. And it's all powered by AI that can recognize text, faces, and objects in real time. Now, Seeing AI is cool because it's automatic, but sometimes technology can't quite figure something out. That's where Be My Eyes comes in, and this one's beautiful. Be My Eyes connects blind users to real, sighted volunteers over a live video call. Let's say you're blind and trying to figure out which can in your kitchen is tomato soup. You open the app, and within seconds, a volunteer appears on your screen and helps you by looking through your phone's camera. Or maybe you're in a hotel room and trying to work the thermostat, someone can help you instantly. It's like a global team of helpful strangers, ready to lend their eyes. Over 6 million volunteers have signed up. Even cooler, the app now also offers AI-powered support through a partnership with OpenAI, meaning you can ask questions and get answers from AI and humans. These apps aren't just fancy gadgets, they're part of real people's everyday lives. Imagine navigating a grocery store with no one to help. Now you can scan barcodes and hear what each item is. Getting mail and finally being able to read it yourself. Hearing someone's face described to you, female, smiling, about 30 years old. These moments give back something many people lost: independence. Now, if you're wondering how all this works, here's the simple version. AI is trained on millions of images of things like faces, food, signs, and objects. It learns to recognize patterns, just like we learn to recognize faces or items over time. When you point your phone camera at something, the AI compares it to what it knows and tries to guess what it's seeing. Then it speaks that guess out loud, like, "This looks like a coffee cup," or "This appears to be a dog." It's not perfect, it can make mistakes, but it's getting better every day. This is more than just cool tech. It's about giving people with vision loss a way to experience the world with more freedom and dignity. It helps with independence at home, confidence in public spaces, accessibility to information, connection to people, and the best part. These tools are free and available right now, not 5 years from now, but today. AI often gets a bad rap. People think it's just robots taking over jobs or making scary decisions. But this is AI at its best. Helping people. Empowering people. Making life better in quiet but powerful ways. So the next time someone says AI is cold or impersonal, tell them about Seeing AI and Be My Eyes, and how AI is literally helping people see the world again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring or useful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd appreciate this technology. And let me know in the comments, what do you think AI should be used for next?